wow, I am just impressed. Out here at the back of this, they have a 4D movie. It's called the Four Ducks Theater, where they do shows. But I see a big ice cream shack over there, and there's a water playground out here as well for the kids to splash around in. Back here in the back of the aquarium, this is pretty large. I mean, absolutely, I had no idea this was this big. I've never actually seen a splash area for the kids and a playground for the kids at an aquarium. At first I thought this may be the stadium seating, but it's kind of a backsplash area with a waterfall.
Can you
The
find
the backsplash area over here. And they've even got a place here for friends like Theme Park Brews to come. A place called Finn's, a little bar, if you will, out here in the back. And here at the Florida Aquarium, for an extra fee, they have the Wild Dolphin Cruise. And we didn't do that, but that would probably be fun too. What I have found back here behind the Florida Aquarium, it's called American Victory. It's a big, gigantic battleship, it does look like. And that thing's huge. I've never seen it. I don't think I've been up close to a ship that big. Now, I've never been on a cruise or anything. It's not a cruise ship. It does look